At Bee Positive, they stock parts for beekeepers who make their own frames. Now, here's Steve with a rundown on frame assembly.
Today we are going to do a simple job of assembling frames if you've never done it before. So we have our pack of full depth frames. So we'll just open them up. This is just a little pack of 10 frames. We'll get a pile of the end bars like this, just hold them in your hand. What we're going to do now is we're going to glue these because it's the glue that holds the frames together the best. Okay, it's simple PVA wood glue, easy to use, dries clear and completely safe in your hive. So we're just going to glue down a simple little bead of glue on top and bottom. Put that away. Your top bar, put your ends in, your bottom bar, little hammer just to tack them home. Using your square to square them up, they're nice and straight. Little finishing nails, just hold them in position while the glue dries overnight. Another perfect little frame.
Pick up your wax and all frame assembly parts along with other beekeeping supplies and raw honey available in store at Bee Positive in Yandina and online at beepositive.com.au.